Today, let's explore what kind of information is hidden in the tire sidewall. The tire sidewall acts as a storage area that provides information such as specifications and other details. Can you see the numbers and letters written on the tire surface? Let's find out what they mean. Which company made this tire? The company name is written in the largest letters in English. Where is it? It says Nexon. Then, which country is Nexon from? It's written in small letters, made in Korea. This tells us that it is a purely domestic product. What is the tire's section width? Even without a ruler, you can check the sidewall. Do you see 195/60 R1486 here? The 195 indicates the section width. The unit is millimeters, so it's 195 millimon, or 19.5 centimeters when converted to centimeters. The center of the tire is empty. What belongs here? Think about a car wheel. This is where the wheel sits. You can also find the size of the wheel. Next to 60R, do you see 14? The unit is inches, so the wheel's diameter is 14 inches. When was this tire made? You can check its age too. To the left of 195, do you see the 4-digit number 2316? The last two digits, 16, represent the year 2016. The first two digits, 23, represent the week, the 23rd week of the year. Today, we explored the hidden information on a tire sidewall. Before you get in your car, it might be fun to check where your tire was made, its size, and its manufacturing date. See you next time.